guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vera here again today, and on today's episode I'll be showing you a very detailed tour of a 3-star resort here in Enugu, Nigeria. Guys, this place is amazeballs. It is very serene, it is beautiful, and it's very close to nature. I don't know if you guys have noticed, I have a thing or more for places that are very close to nature. Like, let me just keep calm so you understand what I mean. Did you hear those things? The birds are calling here. There's this jungle, not like jungle, but there's this natural vibe to this place. And guys, I'm actually in front of a lake right now. I'm sitting in front of a lake, and I read that there are crocodiles here, but I don't know how true that is. Seriously, I don't know how true that is. The last time I was here, I asked the guy that takes you on a boat cruise here if that is true. He just laughed, and I've been here for like a couple of times at the lake. I've never really seen, but since I was a baby, I've always heard, oh, there are crocodiles there, but I don't know how true that is because I've never really seen anyone myself. And like I said, this place is very serene, it is quiet, it's highly maintained, and of course you guys will be going on the tour with me because I love taking you guys along to everywhere I go to. So if you want to find out everything inside this amazing place, keep watching this vlog. And if you've not subscribed, please, this is the best time to do that, so you become a full gang member of the family. And without further ado, let's get started into the video. This is Nike Lake Resort Hotel. It is situated on a vast piece of land on the bank of Nike Lake, Enugu. This hotel has over 200 rooms and plays host to a whole lot of guests from all over the world, including politicians, diplomats, lay citizens, and residents of Enugu as well. It's noted for its tranquility and old English style of service. There is this class and refinement to the services offered here. This is a very old hotel, but its services are still top-notch, and the place is highly maintained. So this is a place you should be if you can, especially if you're in Enugu or visiting Enugu. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started into other parts of the resort. This is the Lakeview Restaurant, where you come and eat and wine and dine, and that is basically what it is here. Moving away from the Lakeview Restaurant is the swimming pool. Moving away from the pool is the games arena. That is the tennis court and the basketball court. Now we're headed over to Omenala Bush Bar. Over here is the Lakeview Picnic Arena. There are several thatched roof huts around. This place also has a touch of masquerades or touches of masquerades, as you can see. Look at that one, how beautiful is it, or handsome. Is that a male masquerade? It should be. And that is me sitting pretty over there. That is the lake. It is very vast, guys. It is very vast. I can't even cover the entire lake from where it started to where it stopped. I'm not sure that it's possible, but it is very vast. Okay, so this is the lakeside walkway. Usually people stroll here in the evenings because it's very serene. And I've seen lots of people, a couple of people propose here. Yeah, it's a nice place with the proposal. So basically you chill here. It is very serene. And that is the speedboat. To ride with this speedboat, you just have to pay 1,500. That's a little throwback to when I was here earlier this year for the boat ride.
Somewhere. Yeah.
Wow, guys, you've come to the end of today's vlog, and I'm sure you guys enjoyed yourself. I'm sure you enjoyed this vlog and the tour with me. It was really like the tour was really challenging and exciting. It's challenging in the sense that I've never really done something like this. I had to walk around a lot because this place is very massive. I think there are just a few places I didn't cover here, if at all. I'm not sure there's any important place that I didn't cover here. So you see how challenging it was. So and like I told you, the boat cruise cost 1,500 naira to do. I don't know how long it lasts. The truth is, for the couple of times I've been here, I didn't really check time. But no matter how long you spend there, you're still going to yearn for more. You still want to go back and all that. And the ironical part of it is when you want to get in, you're really scared. Because right now over there are people, I think they're all ladies, that want to get inside here and they're screaming like, oh my God, I'm going to drown, I'm going to drown. But that's the feeling. I had the feeling the first time I was here, but with time they start doing PCR, do you get, because they're having fun and all that. So I don't really know how long it lasts, but it really lasts a long while. And here is also a place I recommend if you want to have a quiet time with yourself, with nature, with God and all that. It is very necessary, but apart from that, this is a nice place to come and lounge, chill, and just have fun. And I'm glad you guys enjoyed this video. Please share with your friends and your family. Like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye. Okay guys, I'm still here. I'm waiting for my ride, but like I told you guys, the ladies on the cruise, they just ended now and they don't want to come out again. If you can recall, they were all screaming, oh, they're going to drown and all that. But right now, they told them to come out and they don't want to come out. One of them was even telling the man, Oga, name your prize, man. Everybody has a prize. Name your prize. Let's go back for another round. That is just the feeling you get here. I told you guys. So I can't really film them because for privacy reasons I can't film them, but that's just what they were saying. And they're telling the man that they have to go to another round. I think for another round you just have to pay extra, okay, because you can't go multiple times for one pay. And usually there are a lot of it depends on the day. Sometimes there are other people waiting to go and all that. So that is that. I think my ride is very close. He called and said that he's very close. So guys, I'm exhausted. That's just the truth. I've been out for how long? I just feel like filming a day in my life vlog. What do you guys think about that? Is this something you want to watch? Is this something you look forward to seeing? Just tell me. And another thing I noticed, I think it's a growth, I think it comes with the job, is that I don't want to say I can, but right now I think I can comfortably vlog outside, even with people watching, people passing by, because in this hut that I'm seated, there are other huts around and there are people there, and people are strolling here like lovers. It's already evening here, so I think lovers, I call them lovers because they're all holding hands, walking up and down. So lovers are passing by, walking by the lakeside and all that. It's just a very beautiful place to propose. Like, girl, if you say no, I throw inside the river. So I'm kidding, don't do that. I'm kidding, don't do that. So what would you want to see a day in my life? So tell me in the comment section if you want to see that. And then I think I'm saying goodbye again for the third time or for the second time. Bye. Another, okay, let me not tell you that one. Don't worry. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Peace. Called DBco. But remember, if you want a day in my life video, please tell me and I'll get that with you. Remember to share this video, like it, drop your comments, and subscribe to this channel because you gotta be a good member, a full member. Call it bye bye.